Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right in PowerPoint with the slide that contains the photo you want blurred. First, duplicate the slide to preserve the original. This gives you a safe undo. Then select the background or image, right-click and open Format Background or Format Picture so you can access picture effects. Make sure the image's aspect ratio is locked and resolution is sufficient. Low resolution will look worse when blurred. Once done, proceed to apply effects on the duplicate to keep the original intact. Now you'll add the blur effect itself. In Format Picture, switch to Effects and find Soft Edges or Artistic Effects. PowerPoint versions vary, so locate the Blur/Gaussian option. Drag the blur slider gradually while watching the slide so the subject remains readable and the background recedes. If you need a selective blur, duplicate the image, mask the subject with a shape or crop, place the masked subject above the blurred layer, and align precisely. Make sure edges are feathered so the composite looks natural. Finish by previewing full screen or exporting a high-resolution image to confirm the blur reads well on different displays. If the blur appears pixelated or blocky, you likely need a higher resolution source or a gentler blur plus feathered masking. Replace the image with a larger file or reduce intensity and smooth edges. Make sure to save a final file and keep the duplicated original slide in the deck so you can revert or re-edit later. One troubleshooting tip: if effects are missing, update PowerPoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.